Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you a great product that I just found out. It's called Viper Pan and Drain Treatment. Hello, couple of weeks ago I was talking to one of my neighbors, and turns out I had no idea that this product even existed. This lady told me that her son is the AC guy, and she uses this product to make sure that there is no algae sitting in her drain. According to what she told me, she sprays this on a pan and on coils only maybe once to maybe twice a year, and she's got no algae. I was watching the video of this product on the internet, and it looks like it's really great product. So today I'm gonna give it a try, and from what I saw, this will prevent the buildup of the algae for the next couple of months, up to maybe even a year, depending on where you live. This is the product that you need to spray in your drain pan, and then on the inside or outside, maybe 2-3 inches of your coils. And so what does this do is stops drain blockages, and what it does is basically dissolves the algae that normally would accumulate and then later clog your drain system. It only has some enzymes. There's no harsh chemicals that would damage your coils or any other part of your AC system. The only thing is that when you want to do it, you need to make sure that the drain pan is dry, so you can apply it to the inside of it, and then the leftovers, they're gonna be washing out a little bit with the water, then will later dissolve all the algae that is inside of your system. So right now I have my vacuum ready. This is my new wet and dry vac caloric vacuum that works for both wet and dry applications. I just fill it up with water. I made my own connection so I can have a really nice and small tube to get the water out. I need to dry it, apply it, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so I'm gonna have my vacuum connected, and I'm gonna get the water out. I just want to show you that when I redid my pipes after AC guy put the AC on, I made a couple of changes. So as you can see right here, I have easy access to my drain. Now I'm going to dry this pan right here. Alright, so now I clean this up. It's nice and dry. Now when I was reading this, it says that it will basically cover all the P-traps, all the plastic sides of the pan with very slippery layer that will block accumulation of the sludge, and also will dissolve that says and disperse the slime, sludge and sediment gumming up the pan, P-trap and piping. The silicone detergent leaves behind a super slippery coating to prevent future buildup and blockage. I'm gonna shake a little bit. I'm also going to spray inside of this pipe. It always gunks a little bit. So now I've sprayed this part. I'm gonna leave it for a while to, I don't know if it's going to solidify or something, but I'm gonna leave this like that. Now I'm going to go underneath. And now I am inside of my unit, because I have this little hole that I can climb through. And I'm going to go and spray this gel on the lower part of my coil. So the gel will coat the coils with that slippery coating, and this will prevent algae from buildup. Sorry, the video is not perfect, but that's the only thing I can do. I'm gonna spray this right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty, so I'm done with my coils on the inside, and I sprayed the plastic drain and also like 1 or 2 inches on the bottom of the coils. I forgot to mention that this product has a nice orangey type of smell. So what I was told by my neighbor and also by watching to the videos of people that actually used it, this will give me at least 6 months to a year of no clog, no algae in my AC system. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.